जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय प्रभुपदा प्रभुपदा प्रभुपदा, जय प्रभुपदा। जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्र सुत श्रीमद् अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय। जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्र सुत श्रीमद् भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। नामाचार्य शिलरदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की जय। वृंदावन मथुरा धाम की जय। मायपुर नवदीप धाम की जय। गंगा माई की जय। जमुना माई की जय। भक्ति देवी की जय। श्रीमती तुलसी महारानी की जय। समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति विकास स्वामिनिते नामने। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिते नामने। नमस्ते सारस्वत देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरोन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सगुण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीव साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सकलिता श्रीशाखान्वितांश्च नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति विकास स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे मुखं करोति वाचालं मंगलं गायति गिरिमत्कृपादं देशे गुरुतीर्थां। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। सकृत एव प्रपन्नो यस्तवसास्मित च याचते अभयं सर्वदा तस्मै ददाम्येतद् व्रतं मम। So Hare Krishna, welcome devotees to the second session of the online reading of Patropadesh volume 2. So we're going to continue to read from, we are continuing to read from Patropadesh volume 1, page number 15, 14th April 2005. Just before starting, I just want to know from devotees whether my voice is audible and my material is visible. So is the voice clear? Yes. I would like to read at last today because somewhat my voice is little bit today. So I would like to request. Oh, I don't know. Bhakta Vivek, you can read for some time. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Vivek. Hare Krishna. Vivek. Are you able to hear me? I don't know. I'm not able to hear anything. My voice is audible. No, your voice is not audible. That's what I'm saying. Hare Krishna. I have some mic issue, Prabhu. Okay. With laptop. Govinda. Hare Krishna. Bhakta Srinivas ji, you can read. I don't find Patit Taran Prabhu is out. I don't know why. I think some network problem.
Hello.
Hello. Don't say hello. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Prabhu. I am audible, Prabhu.
Yes, you are audible. Then you can start reading.
14th April 2005. At the risk of threatened legal action, I am writing to you in the hope of touching any spot in your heart that has not become wholly hardened. I beg that if somewhere in your heart you have even a glimmer of affection for me, that you cool-headedly pursue this letter. Peruse this letter. I address you.
Yes.
I address you as my dear, for I have always regarded you as such. However, you have not been much in touch with me for the last few years, although I have tried to contact you on many occasions. For instance, the following letter to which I got no reply. Dear N, I understand that you are in a state of great mental turbulence. I strongly request you to meet me in J on 21st September when I am set to arrive from Japan. and to celebrate Radhashtami with me there. It is my duty to try to help you when you are in difficulty, but you have to come to me so I can help you. Please do. In the meantime, please go somewhere where you can get congenial association. I suggest going to Juhu and being with B for some time. Hare Krishna. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Dasa BVS.
Prabhuji, Hare
You-
Krishna.
Hare, Hare Krishna.
One small request. There is some disturbance in the background. You can close the door or something you can do so that.
Okay, Prabhu. 1 second, Prabhu.
ఉషా వాళ్ళందరికీ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వినబడి అడుగుతున్నారు ప్లీజ్ కొంచెం ఆపవా క్లాస్ లో వినపడుతున్నాయి ఈ విషయాలు ఆపారు అటు తీసుకెళ్ళం
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, some
Hare Krishna.
some family issues.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes.
You were eager to go overseas, but that didn't work out. You wanted to marry one lady in P, but that also came to nothing. Please consider if unfulfilled personal desires are a factor in the frustration by which you are now writing to me very aggressively. I have always appreciated you as a strong spirited, serious devotee of Krishna. But I find it unfair that now you are accusing me of torturing you. For I cannot recall even one occasion when I have acted in a manner calculated to harm you or anyone else. I openly admit that I am far from perfect, but can honestly say that I am not deliberately trying to manipulate people. As you claim, I have always given you full scope to indulge your free spirited nature, and as such, you have served largely according to your own wish, practically since you joined ISKCON. Undoubtedly, there are many discrepancies in ISKCON, and I am ready to cooperate with you in attempting to rectify them as far as possible. Indeed, I am already active in this field as I deem it a major responsibility to Srila Prabhupada to try to preserve the spirit of his movement in these difficult times. What else can I do to help you? Please let me know. It is not possible to understand exactly what difficulties you are undergoing from vague accusations in an email. Please come and be with me for some time, as I have several times requested you, and let us work together to be better devotees and to serve Srila Prabhupada's mission in the best possible way. Otherwise, to suddenly reject me and ISKCON without even once trying to discuss your problems with me suggests that this is an excuse to renege on or much decrease your commitment to devotional life. Please also consider if it is actually conducive to your eternal welfare to compare to skunks persons trying to serve Srila Prabhupada. Seva, Seva Prarati BVS. Unknown date. Congratulations, Kalyani Devi Dasi, on pleasing Srila Prabhupada by distributing so many of his precious books. I was particularly pleased when this summer I saw that Srimad Bhagavatam was being distributed as previously among the many books that had been distributed in UK. The vast majority were small or medium books. From the beginning, I noted your tendency to always try to help others and your genuine concern for them. Therefore, I gave you the name Kalyani Devi Dasi, the servant of Radharani who always acts to benefit others. Certainly, you are in the best possible way, fully living up to your name for distributing Srila Prabhupada's books is the best possible way to help conditioned souls. Thank you very much. Please continue throughout your life acting for the benefit of others. I will take this opportunity to extend my appreciation also to all the great souls serving there in Vaikunta oasis in the middle of the hell, that is ISKCON Soho Street. Srila Prabhupada said that a day on Sankirtan is worth more than thousands of years of austerities of the yogis, and surely the same is true of serving Srila Prabhupada, Sri Sri Gauranitai, Sri Sri Radha Londonishwara, Sri 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 Jagannath, Shubhadra, Baladeva, and Giriraj in the middle of London. 2011, 2nd January 2011. Thank you for the news of your book distribution. It is always welcome news to hear about the distribution of Srila Prabhupada's books, as this activity is most pleasing to Srila Prabhupada. I am sure that you can feel how Srila Prabhupada blesses you with his mercy when you engage in this service. May Srila Prabhupada and Krishna increasingly inspire you in this service. 3rd January 2011. Many people perceive Krishna consciousness as foreign, archaic, strange, or even startling. Most people have no interest in Krishna Katha, being unaccustomed to and incapable of processing such deep subjects, disinclined toward philosophical matters, or too sinful to be disposed toward such pure topics. A preacher's task is to communicate the message of Krishna to such persons who need to hear it at or disinclined to do so. 12th January 2011. Considering that many devotees wear saffron but within a short time have to change to white, it is advisable that we wait for some time before allowing devotees to wear saffron. This is my opinion. Is this acceptable to S. Prabhu? 13th January 2011. All who have come to Krishna consciousness are special souls. So I suggest that you try to encourage them and maybe even ask them to help you distribute books for a few minutes. Tell them that whatever happens in ISKCON, we all still have to do whatever is necessary to become Krishna conscious. Krishna will help us if we are sincere. 2nd February 2011. I would be cautious about taking a loan as Kali enters money and poisons friendships. I suggest that if you decide to take a loan, you should have a schedule for repayment and a clear idea of how you will get the money for repayment. 7th February 2011. I am listening and learning. So many devotees are suffering in their attempts to practice Krishna consciousness in a hostile world. We can hardly imagine how much the karmis with no knowledge of Krishna consciousness are suffering. Srila Prabhupada so much wanted to establish Varnashrama farm communities to save people from the worst effects of Kali Yuga and to create a situation relatively conducive for practicing devotional service. 1st March 2011. In people's own homes or outside the temple, devotees may adjust and utilize any other instruments, including the zambe or accordion, as long as they are not representing Prabhupada or ISKCON programs like Radhayatras, etc. If there are signs saying ISKCON and or HD is Divine Grace AC Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, then devotees should have to represent his teaching and example for kirtanas without accordions or jambes.
Great.
7th March 2011. Very few people in the universe are as fortunate as you. Despite all adverse conditions, you listen to Srila Prabhupada 8 hours a day and will not leave his lotus feet even if the whole world is against you. Later you will see how your difficulties are your assets and that those who mock and mistreat you are your greatest benefactors. 16th March 2011. I just finished reading Rethinking Darwin and overall found it very impressive. I strongly feel that this kind of book, giving unique Krishna conscious insights on important topical issues, should be distributed widely throughout the world. It would be excellent to distribute in India, especially among the more educated class, most of whose members tend to accept Darwinism as axiomatic. 21st March 2011. As I have often stated, deity worship should be performed properly or not at all. Anything less than the proper standard is not actual worship. 22nd March 2011. Advaita Prakash is not accepted as bona fide by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. 22nd March 2011. It is difficult for me at this distance to understand what is going on between yourself and P. Prabhu, except that it seems fairly clear that you are not relating with each other well enough to maintain the prospect of entering marriage. He has also written to me with complaints about you, but from my perspective, you are both sincere devotees, but not as well matched as you had hoped. It thus seems that you should both recognize this and get on with your lives separately in Krishna consciousness. 23 March 2011. Miscommunication leads to much misunderstanding. We should try we should try to be clear in communications and should also not become too disturbed by the misunderstandings that inevitably arise. 23 March 2011. It is, of course, very happy news that you are thinking of Krishna and wish to retrace your steps towards him. So please come, you are welcome. I request that you seriously try to revive your noble ideal of striving to attain pure devotional service. The first move is, of course, to start regularly chanting japa. Daily reading of Bhagavad Gita as it is very helpful to keep our consciousness steady and fixed on Krishna. So please do that, and I will be happy to hear of your further progress. 24 March 2011. I never before heard that deity pictures should not be hung in ashramas. Doing so has been the norm in all ISKCON ashramas that I have seen since I joined. When I joined in 1975, devotees would usually be careful to not to sleep with their feet towards such pictures, or they would cover or remove such pictures to avoid sleeping with their feet toward them. To avoid disrespect, you could hang on ashrama walls photos from the dhamas rather than of deities. After all, some pictures are better than none to help remind us of Krishna, notwithstanding the risk of any disrespect. Notwithstanding the risk of any disrespect. 24 March 2011. You are right that initiation is not a cheap process. I would like to see that S. Prabhu does good, solid service in the temple, full time, not just living in the temple, doing a little service and working outside, for at least 6 months before considering him for Brahminical initiation. 25th March 2011. 5 months with no proper association, sadhana or prasada is far too much. Better not to put your spiritual life at such risk. Basu Ghosh Prabhu achieved fluency.
Basu Ghosh Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Basu Ghosh Prabhu achieved fluency in spoken Sanskrit with the help of Sanskritananda Hari, and I would prefer if you would try to do the same. 25th March 2011. Thank you for your sincere commitment to service. My only concern is that you spend enough time with K and not neglect him due to performing so many services. Many now adult children of devotee parents have complained that their parents did not have time for them. So, if necessary, you should reduce other engagements so as to properly care for your child. 27 March 2011. I have heard of several cases of devotees and others starting businesses and soon losing their investments and being left with debts. So I suggest that you seriously consider this point. Also, it is common that owners of businesses are more busy and stressed than employees. Having considered these points, if you still wish to start a business, I have no objection.
Business yoga.
Business yoga. Hare Krishna Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhuji, you can start.
Thank you,
You
Prabhu.
can.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Hare Krishna Patitaran Prabhu. Patitatarana Jagannath Prabhu. Hare Krishna. I given you access, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. You got access again, got cut. I think there is some signal problem over there.
My internet is okay, but
Again, it got cut. I don't know why. Hmm. Okay, Prabhu. I'll give to somebody, then in between you can correct it yours. Hare Krishna. Okay, Vivek. Hare Krishna, Vivek. Are you able to hear me?
Audible now,
I
bro?
think I have to start. Baba, too much.
Hare Krishna, bro. Is it audible, bro?
Yes, yes, audible.
Yeah.
Please read.
First April 2011.
Yes.
N. Prabhu has written to me that he plans to go to sea. So it would seem wise that you not pursue this matter further, legally or otherwise, but just let him go and then forget him. But please do not forget Krishna. Krishna consciousness is the greatest gift possible, so please do not give it up for any reason. 2nd April 2011. I presume that this has been drawn up along the pattern of the Gurukula in Mayapura, which is, of course, a good model to follow. You might consider giving the boys more time for rest and play if they need it. Presumably, they should be constantly supervised even when playing and washing clothes. 2nd April 2011. I suggest that if you get work in the Gulf that pays considerably better than in India, take it. And if not, resettle in India. Keep things simple. If you do not have the finances to get so many houses, be content with one. 3rd April 2011. Although there is nothing inherently wrong in going to Badrinath, there are more important things for devotees to do in Srila Prabhupada's service. 4th April 2011. I do not like the idea of your attending a camp for 5 months with no devotee association, prasada, or proper sadhana. I suggest that you stay in an ISKCON center and continue your studies of either or both spoken or literary Sanskrit and later attend the Govardhan school. Previously, spoken Sanskrit was also taught at Govardhan, maybe not now. 4th April 2011. It is certainly the grace of Lord Chaitanya and Srila Prabhupada that so many people all over the world are taking to Krishna consciousness, among whom you are most fortunate to be included. After many births and deaths, we have somehow or other come into the association of a pure devotee of the Lord. How fortunate we are! Living entities are roaming within the universes in different spaces of life and in the different planetary systems. They are enjoying or suffering the reactions of pious or impious activities, but they have no information how to get out of this entanglement of the repetition of birth and death. Due to the darkness of ignorance, most living entities have no idea about the values of life. Therefore, one who understands the importance of Krishna consciousness must be a very fortunate soul. Please continue with great faith and determination your devotional activities of chanting Hare Krishna and reading Srila Prabhupada's books. In this way, your realization of the supreme perfection of life will grow continuously, and your life will become ever joyful and sublime. If by Srila Prabhupada's desire, I can be of some service in helping you to go forward in Krishna consciousness, then it is my duty to try to do so. 6th April 2011. Now that you have taken up service in M, you should continue at least until something solid is established, which will not take less than a few years. 6th April 2011. It seems that with his groundbreaking work, R is set to play a major role in certain intellectual, educational, political, and religious fields. Unsurprisingly, he is anything but acquainted with the ocean of truth, see Brahma Samhita, and his contribution will be significantly more valuable if you could direct him toward that. 16th April 2011. I'm very sorry to hear of this, but unfortunately, I have no suggestion that is likely to radically improve the situation very soon. You have to decide either to tolerate the situation or to get out of it. It seems that you have already chosen the latter. You will have to sort out G. Prabhu's financial claims, and it is likely to become bitter. All this you already know. Whatever you decide to do and whatever the outcome, please stick to the process of Krishna consciousness. Do not be discouraged because some devotees do not practice it properly. Keep faith in Srila Prabhupada and Krishna and continue to chant Hare Krishna. 20th April 2011.
Actually, this instruction is very, very important. This one, whatever you decide to do, whatever your outcome, please stick to the whatever you decide to do and whatever the outcome, please stick to the process of Krishna consciousness. Do not be discouraged because some devotees do not practice it properly. Seeing others, we lose enthusiasm in Krishna consciousness. So, or seeing others, we get encouraged in Krishna consciousness. So many a times devotees get discouraged seeing others devotees not practicing properly Krishna consciousness. So we should not be discouraged because it is Kali Yuga and people have certain problems with following Krishna consciousness. So we should have faith, keep faith in Srila Prabhupada and Krishna and continue to chant Hare Krishna. This is very, very important instruction. Yes, Prabhuji.
20th April 2011. N. Prabhu, who is typing this letter for me, told me that programs at Microsoft, Apple, etc. can only be indirect preaching, nothing too religious. I'm not very enthusiastic about doing such programs, so it is better that you do not arrange such programs for me. I'm not against such programs, per se, as I realize that they have they have their utility, but I am not practiced in that style of presentation and much prefer to be able to speak straightforwardly.
Jai.
24th April 2011. I approve of your plan to study in Govardhana. In the meantime, please try to distribute as many books as possible. This knowledge can be understood not simply by the brain, but from the mercy showered on devotees with a strong service attitude. 24th April 2011. I am sorry to hear of your poor health. Now that you cannot distribute books so much, you should read more. By reading more, you will get inspiration to distribute them.
Yes.
Of course, there are other methods of preaching that you could take up, such as assisting N. Prabhu in Namahatta preaching, doing more Harinama, helping to train newcomers, etc. 24th April 2011. Thank you for your Bhakti Nishta in attending the morning program. Your letter exudes happiness in Krishna consciousness, Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. It is advisable to perform service according to one's inclination, and it would certainly be good for you to serve as a cook. Maybe for now you could find some cooking service that does not require Brahmanical initiation, that is, not for deities. You will have to become more steady in devotional service before taking Brahmanical initiation, as you have several times gone away from the association of devotees. In the meantime, happy sadhana in Mahaprabhu's all blissful abode. 1st May 2011. My full blessings for the child. You will have to set the example of pure devotional service so that he may imbibe it. Hare Krishna. 5th May 2011. I have been informed that a supposed disciple of mine has misbehaved with your daughter. I am upset and embarrassed by his wrongdoing. For many years, you have accorded me great respect and hospitality, and now this rascal has done this to you. Although mere words cannot redress his misconduct, I must apologize for the anxiety that this must have caused to your whole family. 7th May 2011. I suggest that devotees take a sample of the kind of challenges they expect to encounter, study how Srila Prabhupada responded to similar contentions, and discuss and hold mock debates among themselves. Here Prabhu can give coaching in anti-Darwinism. Then the devotees have to get out in the field with a prayer to Srila Prabhupada and Paramatma, who will give them all intelligence. 17th May 2011. Basically, from what I have seen of N. Prabhu, he is a serious devotee, but like everyone else, he has idiosyncrasies. Idiosyncrasies. Without a thorough investigation, the accusations against him by H cannot be discounted. They are probably exaggerated, but might be partially true. N. Prabhu is undoubtedly a competent and enthusiastic book distributor and can be well engaged in that capacity.
Idiosyncrasies means, I have given the meaning of that is something like this. What is that? A mode of behavior or a way of thought peculiar to an individual. So this is the meaning of idiosyncrasies. So this is a plural noun. Okay, just one second.
In that capacity, as far as conditions in C permit. In my assessment, he is a sincere devotee but maybe not the right person to take a risk with marriage. 18th May 2011. Previously, you told me that you did not desire to marry, but having again met Y, you felt obliged to her due to your past association. Clearly, your recent involvement with Y has been disastrous. Unless a thorough investigation is made, which is unlikely, there is no way that myself or anyone else at such a distance can ascertain whether her accusations against you are wholly true, wholly false, or somewhere in between. D. Prabhu did contact me, but I was unable to tell him anything conclusive. I told him that in India you performed sincere service and that after returning to Europe you have remained dedicated to your preferred service of book distribution, but that I cannot tell what is going on between you and Y except that is that it is a mess. Now you are in X with the intention to marry a devotee from there. But I am now asking you to reconsider your idea of getting married. You love to roam around here and there, but a wife expects her husband to be a life partner, not an occasional visitor. Previously, you agreed to my advice to not travel extensively but to stay with Y. Unfortunately, you were unable to do so. Possibly, this is a reason that she is so angry with you. As you know, I do not like to get personally involved in Grihastha issues, and I consider doing so inappropriate for a sannyasi. I have repeatedly asked yourself and why to refer your problems to T. Prabhu and his wife, but neither of you like to do so and keep on coming back to me. My best advice to you is not to marry. From what I have observed since your re involvement with Y, you are not suited for family life and the responsibility and the complexity that goes with it. Keep your life simple and go on distributing Srila Prabhupada's books. 19th May 2011. To maintain your Krishna consciousness throughout this chaos, there can be nothing better than the standard activities of hearing and chanting about Krishna. Everything in this world will come to an end, but our relationship with Krishna is eternal. 6th August 2011. I met ex Prabhu here in C and informed him that I don't think he is sufficiently mature and responsible for marriage, and that particularly his proposed alliance with Y is not a good idea as they are from such different cultures. I told him that if he anyway wants to marry her and he is very attached to the idea of doing so, he should first, before marriage, stay for a year in one place in C where he plans to settle without wandering off here and there, just to see if he can do so. I also told him that if he anyway goes ahead and marries Y, I won't oppose him. If you see fit, you may communicate to Y my assessment that X is not ready for marriage and should wait at least a year. 1st September 2011. It is laudable that you wish to contribute more, so please try to do so. One is never a loser by giving to Krishna, but at the same time, one has to be realistic about one's ability to contribute, considering domestic and other expenses. 1st September 2011. It would be a great service to raise the standards to at least the minimum given by Srila Prabhupada. Please try to do so, but carefully, as far as possible, not upsetting others who may oppose any changes. I would be most happy to award you the Brahminical initiation if you bring this about and remain steady in that service. Making the required improvements will not be an easy task and will require much prayer and dedication. 8th September 2011. It is best to minimize association with devotees whose behavior you find too disturbing.
Okay. Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, this in the previous page, I think, Prabhu.
Oh,
Not this one.
where has
Yeah,
been?
yeah, yeah. That page starting. Yeah, yeah. 8 September 2011.
Okay.
It is best to minimize association with devotees whose behavior you find too disturbing, and to give no more than perhaps token donations unless you are fully confident that the money will be properly utilized. 14th September 2011. My general policy is to accept prasada only in the houses of initiated devotees, sometimes in the homes of devotees who are chanting 16 rounds and following the principles. Rarely I might take milk or fruit in the homes of vegetarians. I suggest that you follow this policy. People will respect you for this. You may suggest to people who wish to feed you that they give you uncut fruit and foodstuffs like ghee and uncooked grains that you will take and prepare and offer in your ashram.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, Shubhankarji, you can read.
September 2011. Very good news of this progress. Please pray every day to Srila Prabhupada, Sri Sri Radha Radhanath, and all the deities there, that you may continue to serve them and their devotees in the best possible way. You can personally ask all the sannyasis and other senior devotees visiting there for their blessings. Be careful. Popularity is a great test of one's sincerity, and many devotees succumb to its cheap charms. Anyways, please keep on sending me good news. 19th September 2011. One of ISKCON's best contributions is its artwork. One way to promote Krishna consciousness is to distribute prints of the artwork that are available from BBT. I request that as far as possible, at least at programs that I attend, the devotees make these pictures available for sale. No demigod pictures, and best is to have Radha Krishna pictures that were painted during Srila Prabhupada's presence. I consider not very suitable that two pictures of Radha and Krishna that are most popular nowadays. One is one is what the public call the filmy picture, in which Radha and Krishna look like a mundane lusty couple. Another is a very intimate picture of Radha and Krishna sitting on a long seat. These were both post 1977. A free book could be given with each poster. Posters of Srila Prabhupada and Lord Chaitanya should be made available, as even many of our devotees do not have such pictures in their home. 20th September 2011. Best is to completely ignore him. Giving him any attention will simply boost his ego, especially if you appear to be upset by him. 20th September 2011. Thank you. You answered it much better than I could. Unfortunately, as you know, many people ask for advice but do not follow if it doesn't suit them. 20th September 2011. I have no objection if these people assist ISKCON activities, but I was concerned when you told me that you were assisting their preaching. They should assist us, but we should not promote them. Anyway, please conduct your services under the guidance of A.B. Prabhu. 26 September 2011. The purpose for which you went to Govardhana to study under Gopiparanadhana Prabhu is no longer relevant. I advise that you leave Govardhana as early as possible lest you become involved in politics and offensiveness. I would not easily accept charges of corruption against M. Prabhu, and I would instead be suspicious of those who thus accused him. Leave this matter to G. Prabhu and do not get involved. 27 September 2011. Considering her condition and the effect it is having on your daughter, I suggest that you contact local secular authorities. I'm not sure how crazy the S system is, but I remember in my childhood in UK that there came a point when my father had my mother taken away to a mental institution as she was seriously dysfunctional. 20th September 2011. Please contact please contact Geeta Govinda Mataji, who I have added as a receiver here, to discuss your situation with her. For many years, she has been guiding women devotees facing various difficulties, and I have faith that she will guide you sincerely and to best of her ability. 20th September 2011. The disciple of Srila Prabhupada coming to give the seminar is probably my old friend, Sureshwara Prabhu. I hope that his stressing the importance of Srila Prabhupada can help to unite devotees on the island and around Ireland. The news of your book distribution is enlivening, and the other news is not enlivening. It seems best that you just keep yourself to yourself for the time being. 20th September 2011. Excuse my impertinence, but it seems to me that senior and spiritually well situated male devotees can best utilize their last days in this world by preaching vigorously, and especially for that purpose accepting sannyasa, which also sets a good example of not remaining entangled in family matters up to the end. I was refreshed on receiving your statement that compromise is out of the question, and naturally it came to my mind that devotees with this conviction should be sannyasis. Unfortunately for me, I don't know you very well, but from what I do know, it seems that you would be a very good candidate for sannyasa. What do you think? 29 September 2011. V. Prabhu phoned me to inform that his father, S. Prabhu, passed away this morning in Puri while walking to the temple of Jagannatha. He was on pilgrimage with a group of devotees and had just visited Vrindavana and several other places. S. Prabhu was a retired gentleman from a pious Brahmana family who had led a pure life and in his old age enthusiastically took to Krishna consciousness after being introduced to it by V. Prabhu. He and his wife P. Devidasi took Harinam initiation from me in January 2008. He passed away in auspicious circumstances, and there is no reason to lament except that we will miss the association of S. Prabhu. He was planning to soon move to S, but Krishna had other plans for him. Devotees are requested to remember him in their prayers, and also his family members, who naturally must be especially shocked and stricken with grief. 29 September 2011. Yes, it is quite common to be treated like a vending machine. 1st October 2011. The Bhakti Shastri course is expensive, whereas Srila Prabhupada said that education should be free. I recommend that you study Srila Prabhupada's books and listen to his lectures and not take this Bhakti Shastri course. 3rd October 2011. I have to decide how best to serve Srila Prabhupada
Krishna.
without being influenced by appeals, positive or negative, to my ego. 4th October 2011. I am writing from Valsad, Gujarat. I have been based in India since 1989. I travel and write and lecture to devotees and at public programs. Srila Prabhupada is very kind to me and to all of us. All glories to Srila Prabhupada.
Jai.
6th October 2011. Certainly, Srila Prabhupada's ISKCON seems to have entered a lengthy malaise, and it can be difficult to understand how to faithfully follow Srila Prabhupada within a society that seems to have little knowledge of how or commitment to do so. I have no easy solutions. Simply, we have to try our best and remain faithful to the ideal, even if we rarely see it. 6th October 2011. Standard ISKCON song for Tulasi Arati is quite high, and so is Sri Rupa Manjari Pada. However, they only describe the principle of intimate service and not the text, as does Radha Krishna Pranamur. These subtleties will be beyond most devotees. You may include Radha Krishna Pranamur if you wish to avoid trying to explain these matters. It just seems inappropriate that devotees who are far from free from material aspiration glibly sing about performing personal service to Radha and Krishna as if doing so were the most ordinary thing. 7th October 2011. On October 5th, in which G. Mataji told me that you had twice stated to her that Siddhas is a Shaktiaves avatar. Of course, I could hardly expect that you'd have said that, but anyway, I request you to clarify what you said in this regard, if at all you can remember making any statement even slightly resembling this. 23rd October 2011. It is very happy news that you have found new life in preaching in X. I suggest that serious effort should be invested in making the movement there solid so that interested people can come to an ISKCON center and be properly guided. What is happening now is that A. Maharaj is doing tremendous preaching, but there is no proper follow up. It is something like every year sowing seeds, but never cultivating or harvesting the crop. What do you think? 23rd October 2011. Thank you for contacting me after a very long time. You do not have any my sanction for worshipping Lord Shiva or Ganesha. Just worship Krishna and do not divert your mind anywhere else. 24th October 2011 to Satswarupa Maharaj. Now that you are old and I might not see you again in this lifetime, not that I ever saw you very much anyway, I just want to offer you a thank you for all that you have done to help me and many others. Whatever our next destinations may be, Srila Prabhupada has bound us together eternally at his divine lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to his servants. 4th November 2011. To Praghosha Prabhu, my God brother, thank you for your kind words of appreciation of the service that I was mercifully allowed to perform in putting together Sri Bhakti Siddhanta Vaibhava. While compiling it, I had a sense of the importance of what I was doing, considering the amazing personality that Srila Bhakti Siddhanta.
Oh, where it has gone.
It was in the month of October.
October?
Yes,
Yes. October. Yes. Bhakti Shastri, this is over now?
yes.
Yes. Radha Krishna Pranam More. I think you're reading this 23rd. Yes, Satsarup Maharaj.
To Praghosha Prabhu.
Yes.
Thank you for your kind words of appreciation of the service that I was mercifully allowed to perform in putting together Sri Bhakti Siddhanta Vaibhava. While compiling it, I had a sense of the importance of what I was doing, considering the amazing personality that Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati is, and of his importance to the world. Please bless me with a long lifespan, which I will send, which I will need to compile many books, including several important volumes on the mission of Srila Prabhupada.
Okay, Proja. We'll stop here. It's already
Thank
done.
you, Prabhu.
Thank you very much. Okay, devotees, if you have any question to ask, you can ask. Otherwise, we will stop here. Sorry, Patitaran Prabhu, because it was little bit taking time, so I had to switch to other devotees. So we have many days to come, so we will definitely give opportunities to devotees to read. So if devotees have any questions, they may ask. Otherwise, I can stop here. Anything to say, anything to convey, anything to ask? So yeah, technical problems will be there. So I'm just providing the link for the second volume. So if devotees, please try to order this book for your sake, and sorry, or and others' sake. Please order this book. If you haven't, please do so. Already Patitaran Prabhu ordered 15 books of volume 1, 15 books of volume 2 to Malaysia, and Mrigakshi Mataji and Jagannath Chandra Prabhu, they ordered 20 books for our volume 1 and volume 2 books. So other devotees, they don't lose anything. If you purchase from us, then you again distribute and you get the profit from that. Anybody can distribute the books. Okay, we will. I think nobody has any question. I can stop here. Liliana Mataji writes that I order digital books of Maharaj. Fine, Mataji. Thank you very much. Whatever it is, whatever service. I have recently posted Google Play books, Kindle books, and today I posted the Apple books. So these are all digital books platforms. So which will be helpful for devotees. And one more thing, I just wanted to just got this idea. If at all these devotees who are hearing this is very important, actually tomorrow I will announce once again, and now I am trying to announce because I just remembered this. Devotees, those who have this Amazon account, specifically those who purchase books, Kindle books, or hardcover books, Maharaj books or Prabhupada's books from Amazon, please give your review of Maharaj books. Please write a review. Should be very genuinely. You should write a review on the book. How are you feeling about that book? So please write a review for this book. Please leave a review of the books of Maharaj, Ramayana, Brahmacharya, specifically Ramayana, Brahmacharya book, speaking strongly, mothers and masters, and this Patrapatish also. So please do write a review. It will be a very great help. According to the as many reviews are there, that much the Amazon keeps the book on the top. So I request all the devotees to please write a review. If you have a genuine Amazon account wherein you purchase books or anything for that matter, specifically if you are purchasing books from Amazon, please do write a review and leave a review under those books. Yes, please, Matajis and Prabhujis, please write a review, very nice review for the books, whatever it is, whatever comes. It's not to be nice or not nice. I'm sorry to use this word. So reviews are reviews. So you please write them whenever you get time. So all devotees, it's a humble request from Bhakti Vikas Trust side that so we are trying to propagate those books online, but if we give more reviews, then people, even if they search Gita, even if they search Prabhupada's books also, these books will be popped up. So I request all devotees humbly to please write a review of major books, Bhakti Siddhanta Vaibhav, even digital books also, Kindle books also, Bhakti Siddhanta Vaibhav, Speaking Strongly, Mothers and Masters, Patropadesh, Glimpses of Traditional Indian Life, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Message to the Youth of India, all books. So please do write a review. And if at all you want to write a review, you can write a review for Amazon also. And if at all you want to write a review for Bhakti Vikas Trust, we have a separate review page also here. If you see here, there is separate page for reviews of the books. So that also you can write. So under each book, like for example in English, if you go to Bhakti Siddhanta Vaibhav, there are so many reviews of many devotees. There is a video and reviews of the devotees. You see, there is review in Bhakti Siddhanta Vaibhav. So like that. Like for example, there is a review given by, one second. So I would like to share this. I think which Mataji has given this. Kamalini Mataji has given a review on Bhaktisiddhanta Vaibhav. You could see that. SBV review. It may not be like this, YouTube video or something like that, but on these lines, I mean to say. Devotees, if they want, they can see this. So many other reviews are there in those books, in the books mentioned, specifically Speaking Strongly. And if at all you want to write more, we will publish it in Bhakti Vikas Trust website. Okay. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhibhyo vacha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Dante nidhaya tinkampatiyor nipati kritva kakushatam etadaham brahme sadhava sakalam vihaya chaitanya chandra charani kurta. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. One more thing I want to just remember, that the review which you are writing for Amazon, you can just send to us also, to books@bvks.com. So we will publish it to books@bvks.com. We will publish the same on our website. That will also be cool. Thank you. Hare Krishna.